Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and I'm here with a rather interesting unboxing that I didn't expect to be doing. So Amy Tangerine did a collaboration with the Happy Planner, and many of you may have already seen the unboxings and things on YouTube that are out there. This one shipped from Spain at Craftelier, so no customs and only £6 I think shipping, so win. So yeah, I thought it was worth getting one and having a look because, well, it's got a rainbow theme and you know me and rainbows, we kind of get along. So let's open up this big box, which is very exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, look at that. How beautiful. Oh, I just don't want to, I'm trying to find where the end is because this has got to be preserved and looked after. Oh my gosh. This is very exciting. I'm seriously, oh my goodness mate, just look at the rainbow. Just look at the rainbow in this. It's so pretty. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and get things out of the box, hopefully without damaging the paper, and then I'll come back. So it was as simple as just flipping the box upside down. Let me move my rainbow of washi out of the way. And there's a sticker that says happiness looks good on you, and I'm really hoping, ripped it, never mind. I was really hoping that might come off. Oh my gosh, the pressure. So yeah, these were on sale in the States on the Mambi website, but the shipping from there being what it is, and let's face it, it's just the way it is, I'd kind of put it in my basket, looked at shipping costs and gone, no, that ain't gonna happen. How cute is that? Just how cute is that? So when I got the email from Craftelier, because I'm on their mailing list, to say that they had some, yeah. I didn't so much run over there as, you know, get on a speedboat and go. So let's have a look what's inside. So yay, so now we're the other way up. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Ah, I feel like I should move the rainbow tissue paper, but it's so cute and beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Apologies for rustling. Right, the thing that's grabbing my attention right now is this, which is a tote bag, and let's face it, is why I wanted it really. It just says plan a happy life with Happy Planner and Amy Tangerine, and on the back, create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. Okay, I'll be honest with you, that ain't bringing me joy or happiness. Can you see on there? It's kind of like faded and weird. Yeah, that's not been done quite right. That's fine, I shall get in touch with them and we'll see what happens. But yes, the tote bag though is a really nice quality. It's a good size, pink on the bottom, no pockets, and yeah, I like that. It's nice. Okay, then we have a phone like pop socket with smile on. And then we have the Be Happy box. This will have the guide to what's inside. Here we go. And yeah, lots of bits, social media links and things. So I'm just gonna pop that up there if you want to have a look. Okay, so let's get this little bit out. Oh, goodness me. Stickers. In case you haven't heard, I quite like stickers, and these look especially lovely. So we've got lots and lots of quotes. I'm going to bring you right in and we'll have a look. Oh, so nice. Then we've got like, are these clear as well? Yes, they are. So they are transparent, translucent. Again, quotes with Amy Tangerine's writing. Then we've got, those are just a normal paper. Then we've got some boxes and strips. I like these strips, they're cute. Clear again, headery ones, different things, make stuff happen. Later, now, start now, I like that. Oh, those are lovely. Oh, so gorgeous. And then some days of the week and dates. Some sort of functionally listy ones. And some more decorative bits. I like these circly ones, those are cool. Okay, so that's our stickers. Then there are 3 washi tapes. I didn't realise they were narrow ones. You know, I mean, if I'd actually read, then I would have known. So this one has got Create, Dream, Inspire. Let me find the end and show you. Oh, I can't find the end. There we go. Got it. So it's a rainbow and it says Inspire, Dream, Create, Inspire, Dream, Create, just repeated. That's really cute. I like that a lot. Oh, so nice. I just love rainbows. They're so happy, appropriately enough. Then a rainbow with kind of a bit of like a darker speckle to it. I assume it's meant to be like that because it is a bit weird. And then oh no, I like this. This is like all different black and white designs. So we've got triangles, like paint splashes, hearts and crosses. That's really, really sweet. Just try and get you in. Sorry if you can't quite see that as clearly, but there we are. So that's fab. Then we have, let's come to this, shall we? The planner. I mean, in all honesty, this is kind of the thing. I'm looking at this and going, if you got this, you'd be set up with a planner for the entire year. You really would, because you'd have your stickers, your washi. I mean, maybe not an entire year, but you know what I mean. You'd have a very good start to it. I do think it is an incredibly happy box. It is gorgeous. Okay, so planner. Rainbow discs, get my vote. Plastic, I like the metal ones, so you know, but they're rainbow, so whatever. Make, do, dream, create, share, thrive, grow, believe, love, connect, live, give, heal, go. I like that. And a bit of gold foil on there as well. Really, really pretty. Oh, that is so nice. What's the back like? Oh, okay, so yes, it probably is meant to have like the blacker bit on that washi because it matches this. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited about this. So this did start in July, which basically means that yes, over in the UK and EU, which for now are one and the same things, and that's all I'll say about that. We have missed out on a month, but I suspect you might be able to always read dates, so hey ho. So you've got the Happy Planner introductory bit, it's what Happy Planner belongs to, month at, well, calendar year at a glance. Oh, I like this. Okay, this is cool. So you've got like it's almost like a, do you call it a calendex, future log type thing in bullet journaling? I really, really like that. So yeah, so it runs obviously July to June next year, so it's 12 months, which feels a bit weird not having to the end of 2020. But let's face it, in June next year we're all going to be buying new planners, aren't we? So hey, but I really like that. Could be used for tracking, for planning, whatever it might be. And then we get into the sort of the dashboardy bit before the month. So they always have like their currently thing going on, dates to remember, do all the things. Then we've got the month at a glance, and in case you can't tell, this is a rainbow themed planner. Just making that clear for anyone who's not got it yet, that it's all about rainbow. Even down to the lines on the boxes are rainbow. So that is going through all the colours of the rainbow going across this line, which is just, it's subtle, but it's so beautiful. Then we have the week at glance, and it's just the vertical layout. 3 big boxes, so these are taller than Erin Condren boxes, but you can add a header, you could fill in with washi. Oh my gosh, it's rainbow again here. The notes, the lines on the notes page are actually rainbow. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love, 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 love that. And then you've got little like art marks. not quite sure what you call them, sprinkled throughout the week. Are they in the same place each week? Yes, they are. And then, you're so weird, don't change. Thank you. And then you've got quotes every couple of pages. So I'm just going to page through, let you have a look at the dividers and things. That one's got foil. It's fabulous. And then, yeah, every month is, and every week is rainbow with pink. Did we have pink in July as well? I think it was. Okay. Yeah, okay, so July and August are pink. Let's see if everything's pink. That would be interesting to know. Oh, so nice. Yes, still pink in September. I'm just going to flip to October. And I mean, these as well will be lovely to use as word art, like artwork around your house after you've finished using the planner. I apologise for the noise in the background. Some neighbours are having like a loft extension built. I think they're doing it themselves actually. You wonderful thing, you. And so it gets a bit noisy. November with lots of joy. And then December, yeah. Happy, happy, joy, joy. I was just thinking then, because I know, oh, I like that rainbow. I know that this kind of over positive blah 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 stuff can get a bit much sometimes, but actually, I don't know. I personally don't have a problem with it, provided it's not used in a way to shut somebody down. So, you know, if somebody's saying, I feel XYZ or whatever, then you're not kind of giving them some platitude. I have got a really interesting podcast I've been listening to, Lexicon Valley, which you may have all come across. And actually, if you're a podcast listener, leave me your favourite ones down below, because I'm always on the lookout for new ones. And there's an episode about language having a positivity bias, and I need to have a listen to that because I'm very intrigued by it. So, February. Oh my gosh, it's a leap year next year. I've not even twigged. We are made of stories. Oh, nice, nice, nice. March, the time is now. April, ooh, foil, 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 foil. May, my birthday month. I like that. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Yeah, it does. And June, create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. Did you hear that on the rings then? Sorry, discs. Oh, it goes through me. So we get to the end of June. We've got the first few days of July, and then the back page is a notes page, and that, oh my goodness me, is just And I think, did I see there's some note paper in here? Yes, there is. So it also came with some extra note pages, because, oh, that went right through me. Any top tips for stopping the plastic discs doing that? Because it's unpleasant. And if the top tip is swap them out for metal ones, I'm fine with that. So we have big ideas pages. So these all say, yes they are. Oh, I was really hoping for more of that gorgeous page at the back. I wonder if they do it separately. Maybe, we'll have to find out. And then remember this, so you've got kind of some pages there, don't know how many there are. Oh, 20 it says on there. So 20 classic filler sheets. Then there is this little thing which I'll look at in a minute, and we have a dashboardy jobby as well. See what you look like. Oh, okay, so it's been packed with paper at the back. And has this got a film on it? I bet it has. I'm willing to put reasonably good money on it. Yeah, I think there is. So it reminds me of the Erin Condren rulers when they came a couple of years ago, and they had the film on and nobody realised, and then were like, my ruler's peeling, where's my ruler peeling? And now they tell you that it's got an adhesive film on. So let's get that off. And then it won't look cloudy. There we are. Oh, and it's that gratitude thing again, which is just lovely. Oh, so pretty. I like that a lot. And then this is, I believe, a desk calendar. So it's got little doobie dad to stand up, and craft a life you love, year at a glance, and then we've got the months. Oh, these are nice. Again, let's just flip through. Oh, and they've actually coloured the back as well, which I really like, because then if you've got it on your desk and you see it from the other side, you've got, it's a bit interesting as well. Oh, and then we get 2020 there. January, February, March, April. Oh, that's pretty with the foil. May and June. So yeah, just a 12-month desk calendar. And that's really cool. I like that a lot. So I think all in all that came with shipping to be around the £50 mark. Now I think that is good value, especially when compared with shipping from overseas. I do think that, you know, if you were wanting it just for 1 or 2 items, maybe you didn't actually need the planner, but you know, it's a planner, we can always find uses for more planners, then it's worth seeing if there's anybody who would share it with you, or I'm sure we'll be seeing parts of these things kind of popping up on the buy-sell trade soon. But no, I'm really pleased with that. Really happy as well that Craft Ellie got them in. I think that's brilliant. I'll leave a link to them down below, so do go and check them out. They do carry a lot of the Mamby things and a lot of other scrapbooking things too, so well worth a look. But yeah, that is it from me for today. I hope you are having a fabulous day, and until next time, lovely people, take care of yourselves, and bye bye for now.